Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your smart TV is online. This prevents interrupted downloads. Once connected, sign into the TV platform account, Google, Samsung, Amazon, because updates require store access. Now open the TV's App Store or My Apps area and locate Zee5. You're doing this to let the store check the installed version versus the latest release. If Zee5 appears in the installed list, select it so the store can show Update or Open. This begins the actionable update step. You tap Update and confirm any permission prompts. This lets Zee5 access storage and network features. Once you approve, the store downloads the package. Watch the file size so you know expected time, especially on slow connections. Do not power off or change input while installing. That can corrupt the app. After download completes, the TV will run the installation routine and may restart the app automatically. This sequence ensures the new binary replaces the old one cleanly. Preserving settings, you should open Zee5 and go to its settings or About page to confirm the version change. This proves the update succeeded. If the app fails to launch or crashes, first clear cache and data, then try reinstalling Zee5. This fixes corrupted files. Make sure the TV has enough free storage and that firmware is current. Outdated system software can block app updates. If problems persist, reboot the router and TV. Then repeat the install. Most issues resolve after these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.